How to delete photos in iMessage. Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can delete photos in iMessage on your iPhone. Well, in order to delete the photo message on your iMessage, the process is pretty simple and easy. Simply go ahead and open up your iMessage first. Then you can go ahead and head over to the chat that you have received or sent the image on. So once you open up the text that you have received or sent the photo, all you got to do is you want to tap and hold on the image. Now here I don't have any image sent or received, but once you tap and hold, then down below you'll get the more option. Now here on this text you won't get it, but on the photo option you should be able to see the more option. Tap on more and then you'll be able to find the delete option. Tap on delete and go ahead and delete it. However, what you'll have to remember is if you delete the picture or photo on your iMessage, then it'll be only removed or deleted on your end, while the recipient or the sender, the other one, will still have it on the chat history until they delete the chat or delete the picture like you have done so. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.